Poland, the story of discovering infinite beauty. See the tremendous beauty of Poland and be astonished. A site of medieval buildings and artistic creations in Warsaw. The St. Mary's Basilica in Krakow shines with its Polish Gothic architecture. Your hiking stories get a new start here in Zakopane. Catch the show of salt-hewn formations at the Wieliczka salt mine. Wander around admiring the history and culture of Szczecin. Start your royal castle experience with this Gothic stunner in Nidzica. Match Poznan's energy as you stroll this lively city. Visit the Auschwitz concentration camp and learn about the tragical history. End your journey in Karpacz with the scenic Wild Waterfall. Love travel-related videos? Please subscribe to our channel.